The amniotic egg, one of the most important evolutionary innovations in Earth's history. It didn't just change how animals reproduced, it changed where they could live. Roughly 340 million years ago, during the Carboniferous, some vertebrates evolved a new kind of egg, one that carried its own aquatic environment inside. The amniotic egg contained four main membranes, and they're all super important. We have the amnion, which is there for protection. We have the yolk sac, which is there for nutrition. We have the chorion, which is there for gas exchange, and the allantois for waste removal. Now together, these allowed embryos to develop safely on land, free from drying out. The earliest known reptile was Hylonomus, and it thrived thanks to this innovation. It marked the rise of the amniots, reptiles, birds, and mammals, and yes, that includes us. So if humans are amniots, where are our eggshells? Well, the answer is simple. Mammals evolved the amniotic egg internally. We still form the same membranes, amnion, chorion, yolk sac, and the allantois, but they developed inside the womb, not inside shells. So a chicken, egg, and a human embryo, structurally, they're surprisingly similar. They just have a different delivery mechanism. The earliest amniotic eggs were soft-shelled, like those of modern turtles and snakes, and soft eggs don't fossilize very well. This is why early fossil records for the amniotic egg are rather patchy. We mostly find hard shells, which actually evolved much later in multiple lineages. The first ever dinosaur eggs were discovered in 1859 in France, and they were misidentified as giant bird eggs. In 1923, Roy Chapman Andrews uncovered a nest in Mongolia and blamed the eggs on the Protoceratops. But decades later, embryos revealed that they belonged to Oviraptor, a dinosaur wrongly accused of stealing eggs when it was actually protecting its own. Today's CT scans and synchrotron imaging let scientists study fossil eggs without actually breaking into them. One remarkable specimen, the baby yin liang embryo, shows a dinosaur curled up in the same position as modern-day birds. That's a direct link between dinosaurs and, you guessed it, birds. We're finding eggs everywhere. They're now found on every continent across the globe, some with embryos, footprints, even evidence of parental care. From Titanosaurus nests in Argentina to 200 million-year-old embryos in South Africa, fossilized eggs are revealing how extinct animals lived, grew, and raised their young. The amniotic egg isn't just a shell, it's a 340 million-year-old life support system, an evolutionary breakthrough that made land vertebrates and us possible.